As Mnangagwa's betrayal of General Chiwenga signals a dangerous drift in Zimbabwe's power politics. In the corridors of Zimbabwean power, loyalty is often a temporary virtue, rewarded when convenient, discarded when threatening. Zambira mashoko ari kuda panguva ine kuri kuonekwa pane maodd pictures aVP Constantino Chiwenga nemutungamiri wenyika seyamuri kuona avo vachionekwa kunzi vachiri kuwirirana. Panguva ine vanhu vanonyatsa kuona kuti this is pure betrayal after VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva ino vasara vega. Allies avo ese akatsakatika. Eti ndo asara kuti ateverewo ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa chipomusaro anoenderambira achiti the political fallout between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is not merely a personal rupture. It is a seismic shift that exposes the fragility of Zimbabwe's post-coup political architecture. As a political analyst, I compelled to call this what is a betrayal, and not just of General Chiwenga, but of the gentleman agreement or promise made to Zimbabweans in 2017 when the military-assisted transition was sold as a new dawn. General Chiwenga was instrumental in President Mnangagwa's rise. His command of the armed forces and his orchestration of former President Mugabe's removal were decisive. At the time, the alliance between soldier and politician appeared unbreakable, but Mnangagwa's subsequent actions have rewritten that narrative. Reports of President Mnangagwa grooming criminal Tagray as a potential successor outside the agreed succession plan, empowering youth leaders to undermine General Chiwenga and strategically isolating him from key decision-making circles, paint a clear picture. The president no longer sees his vice as an ally, but as a threat. This is not succession planning, it is succession sabotage. Ndo mashoko arikutaurwa panapa nachipomusaruro achinyatso kubatikana aiwa nezvitiko zviri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panguva ino achiuya achicomplaina treatment iri kuitwa VP Constantino Chiwenga achionekwa kunzi panguva ino ndo vasara kuti vafaiwe. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi vana kuda kwachita Tagray they are now being groomed kuti vasucceed mutungamiri wenyika, but the gentleman agreement yaitaura kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga is going to succeed mutungamiri wenyika after the first term. Pinango section medu kuti mafunguro enyu motikupe pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.